my people. Yes, so we don't come. This one, not talk. And I tell you, my people, we always do this one. Monday, go reach Friday. From 2 o'clock, go reach 3 o'clock. Here for what we do, we always give people our opinion about the matter where they trend for town, and we bring down to you too, so that you go chook your mouth. That's how we give you the opportunity. May you go on top of Twitter at Wazobia. May you go do as it's supposed to be for there, because the conversation they finish even when the show end. Yes, when you talk about you Twitter, we go reply you for there. Here we share ideas, we share knowledge, and we learn from other people's mistake, and we also they give our opinion. Waiting no go make sense and waiting go make sense. All right, my people, I don't give you the informate reach. Oh yeah, break. Carry your phone, tweet them at Wazobia. Go on top of Facebook, go on top of Instagram. Make you go see as it's supposed to go for there. Now, dear, my own name still remain Queen B or Balo.
Oh, Balo. Oh yes, by the don't finish. You go say again.
No, excuse me, it have not finished.
I call your name.
It have not finished.
I don't understand.
Yeah, continue.
Anybody hear me call Amaka, be Olivia, be Okudia for inside this
I don't
conversation?
say by day.
By
Your
day
name
have
na by
not finished.
day.
Yeah,
Okay.
continue.
You go say again before we see anybody there until all those kind of spring or summer, we people they call them until that region don't come again before we go see another by day for on talk. But me, myself, and I still remain Betiana Unwilly.
Anyway, the day where they do by day, now that day they no go come invite me come the show. That's the day where by day don't finish. Then
But you chop inside the cake now.
I chop the cake, but I know see small chop.
Bernard coming by 12. Say, Betiana,
Okay.
I hear say that you handle small shop, and you no can't give me. I just begin laugh.
Well, it's always good to be on the show. I thank God say I did the show. Anytime I come the show, it always sweet me because I handle everybody where they here. All right, today's show self go dey very interesting, and I did all right. Say I did here. Mona, thank you, Mona. Stay glued to the television. No go anywhere.
Okay, now thank you very much. Trying to don't call myself, and I don't already know myself, my very self, and I go thank you now plenty for yesterday. The love I received, this beautiful, lovely, handsome. Handsome now.
Okay, now you be the handsome.
Wow.
I don't know when I start to become
handsome,
beautiful.
intelligent, loving, caring, all the go people.
We get it. Oh, we get it. We know.
They make me happy yesterday.
Keep
I don't
talking
feel
it.
hide the cry.
Woo.
I don't feel hide.
Oh yes.
Yes. Don't do you. Everybody, I thank you very much for all the tweets and all the Facebook messages, all the text messages, all the calls, all the plenty when I do for me. I thank you very plenty. And my name still remain Amaka Okudiafo.
All right, so I don't hear her. She don't tell us thank you, and to you out there, we still say thank you. But it never still finish. Go there, still wish them happy birthday because we are rocking for Saturday. Now Saturday now we stop. We start them on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Amaka we start them Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
Saturday.
Now we go test her because all through this week now enjoymentation. But all right, not do enjoymentation finish, make you forget. Say yes, we still there on top of the matter. And this one where they trend today, now we carry Congi. Yesterday we see something on top of Twitter where Basketmouth tweets, and now we talk say Moko carry and come here because Wizkid no be small pikin again. Wizkid don't become man.
Really?
So we call him Wiz Daddy or Wiz
Dad.
No, he get Wiz boy. He get
Wiz
Wiz boy, but the Wiz boy self na man he be. And Wizkid self don't become father, so I don't know why we still call him.
Dad.
Okay, but you don't change the name to Star Boy. Yes, yeah, Wizkid. You don't call him.
Person, Papa,
Self.
Star Boy.
Star
Even though
Boy.
say supposed to answer Star Man.
Boy still there. Even though I record label, but he still a bearer like Star Boy. So, but I feel say make you rebrand like Bawa change your name. Come up from Little Bawa, come to dear Bawa.
Yeah.
Okay, more they call
change his
Wizkid
name
to
now.
Wizzy.
They don't change
Yes,
his
they
name
don't even
now.
change them again to
Oh,
Bawa.
yes.
Nine own name be that.
Like
Even Snoop Dogg don't change it to Snoop
Lion.
Lion. And
People they
so,
graduate and they grow.
they grow.
No, but Wizkid they do them according to age. Maybe you know when he first starts. Now, how old he come out? 19 or something.
18. No, 18.
He be Wizkid that time.
Okay,
So when he don't
Wizkid.
come reach 24, be how old he be now? He turn him to Star Boy. So by the time when he reach 32,
Star
he
Man.
go eventually become Star
Star Trek.
Man or Star Trek or any star way he wants
Any star we want star. Or maybe people moon.
Star Times.
Star Times.
All right, so we know by the time of yesterday, we know say Bright of Pocha, what they call aka Basketmouth, do one comedy show for London.
Oh.
And Wizkid come grace the occasion onto Starbucks. Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
He can't put the message for Instagram. Come talk say, all right, say after being blessed, after blessed my stage with a great performance, it's proper for me to do a bit of shopping for him at Wizkid. Now he say thanks, bro. He copy and he say thanks, bro. And if you check him, you go see the picture. Nah.
See the shopping.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
Why go children section? Buy Hello Kitty things or what's in the column? What's in the character name self again? I don't forget.
Daffy
Dog. Yes.
Daffy Dog. Have you
Okay.
Mickey Mouse?
No, it be like
It's like
Mickey
Mickey.
Mouse. Okay.
How?
He put on there. So me, I just a few say, okay, may I ask? When I feel say nah, he just want the guy still say he be Wizkid, or he just want do comedy, just wrap him around comedy.
As Betiana don't talk before, say,
I talk.
say, as we talk, Ellen, I do the introduction. Say, Wizkid, say, people they graduate. If you say before, now me, I want to buy something for Snoop Dogg. When he see me Snoop Dogg, I'll buy a puppy dog. But now we don't turn to lion.
You buy a baby lion.
Big lion.
Or when he be Snoop Dogg, I will buy bone. Now we don't turn Snoop Lion, a big meat. But everybody know it. We go give Snoop Dogg, we go make her happy. No good as such. But for this one, well, me, I just feel say, nah, play basketball, they play. Now, in work with that, now in profession, to the young people, they take them laugh. Maybe now, what you want to do for, I don't even know what I'll call them again. For Wizkid, I be Wiz Boy, I be Wiz Lion.
For the Wiz.
For the Wiz.
For the Wiz.
Man, I'm not gonna say, if it be joke, but at the same time, since you actually go to shopping and our children since you go, should be Wizkid get picky.
But the size not
if
the
they
Wizkid
shop for Wizkid pikin, and if they even give us expo, say boya the another pikin
On the
on
road.
the way.
They pipeline.
If they give us expo,
How is it, Amaka?
I just you know say you get one expo, then they give expo. No, pre-expo. The next expo. So me not gonna surprise if we get another bomb blast again. Say Wizkid don't talk to Wizman I know just say bother say Basketball don't tell us before. So no be new thing. If you know the joke,
you reason and go far.
As in, she waka. Well, for me, I don't see Wizkid and Basketmouth and then be friends and then they're very close. When you see them, they play safe, you go they surprise, then they yab themselves on a daily basis. So I feel say this one is just another yabbing. Say maybe Wizkid don't drop one punchline for that show. Now Basketmouth say you. Don't worry, I catch you on social media. Now you can't drop this away. Be say everybody go look and say, bros, you know try. I just feel say this one is still part of the whole comedy thingy.
Just
You go
as I
see
took my
Wizkid go
foot now.
do intro, but
Yeah,
don't worry.
but me they look at, yes, I understand, say he won't appreciate and maybe say he can't do job well done. Now London we talk now and Wizkid get plenty fans too for London and so also to Basketmouth.
Yeah.
Just so that make it not be say the show just end like that. They need to give people something we go trend.
Oh yes.
To me now, waiting I think with that say, oh, no be say yesterday, no, continuously, okay, that means they still dey town and they still they make the matter still dey hot. So that when they come next, Ikpadawa Abija. Genge.
Return leg part 2.
Yes. All right, so my people, in case you want to put mouth inside this one, we don't talk. Why not? If not, you get the opportunity. Make you go on top of Twitter. Make you go tell us your own, and we'd already dropped the cocoa of the day for there. So make you bring your teeth, make you they come because we go for the round 2. This one, round 2. When I know Kelly Osbourne, the Osbourne family, because our father and a rock star.
Now rockstar.
Yes, but she did part of fashion police, so they do for entertainment. And when I know say now John Rivers be the head of the presenters, it just be like the shows what they do. But they are on a fashion police, they tell you as it be. What you wear for Grammy, what you wear go for events, how the clothes be, they go yab you, tell you what thing happen. As it just be that they nail the nail for head.
No, they say then they tell. Then they reset your brain if you know how to dress.
If your wardrobe, if you get dysfunctional wardrobe,
They go help you make
they
them
go function.
functional.
or you need to get stylists. They go use their mouth for stylists for you, and stylists go come look for you.
What's it Juliana do?
All right, this one now, Kelly Osbourne takes style in sort Juliana Rancic. Juliana Rancic now, the famous presenter for red carpet for Grammy and for E! Entertainment as well. And you know, say because the show now like 4 people they always do, and one person go talk the show, the picture, and all of them go explain how the clothes be and their own opinion. All right, so you see the Kelly Osbourne tweets and they show on top of your screen. So this one are things where she talk, and she say, "You guys realize say Zadanaya is my friend, right?" She dey ask them on top of Twitter because the show gone now. Say make you give your opinion about what you feel about how the person take dress. So she talk this one. She say whether they don't know say the girl na her friend. And for me, I dey talk say, if the girl na your friend, this one na show we they do. You know, because when Joe Rivers did, may God rest her. So when she did there, she know they think whether you be her cousin or you be her sister. Even when she and her daughter go Grammy where they wear one cloth, where she get wardrobe malfunction, she bring her on top of the show because she knows say people go talk about them. But because she be comedian, the way she take bring her out, she yab herself, yab her daughter. So if we can't lower the standard, can't they talk about say we need to tell person sorry or because somebody na your friend on top of show, it no really make am show to me. So me, I just dey ask this question today on top of this show, say is it okay wetin she do, or how una see am? If he make you want to quit, because the tweet wey she tweet, according to the tweet wey you don see on top of your screen, she talk say she dey think about say she won't quit her job to be part of the presenting, say because she no go stand, make they insult her friends. So you don't feel say get any reason wey go make you want quit job because one person says something, or because of your friend, or I don't understand, because this one will be our first place, so we don't work.
Yeah, no be our first place obviously, but I go, if I want start, let me start with this Joe Rivers Kelly Osbourne thingy. The story be like say something happen. Something don't happen for them. Then do this, do the show just like they do our show now. But yeah, I talk something way no they pleasing to you, and they very very to you. They because all of us know what when they do now. It's very harsh. As I take talk so you they correct me say, babe, no talk that thing again. You know they okay. Change them. And I talk them again, and you know I they hurt. I feel they hurt your friend. Because we did the same show. No mean say all of us be friend. I feel the friend, I feel get friends outside, and if you saw my friend outside, I know go find them funny. So if I go, I talk concerning that their police
matter, fashion
police. So I feel where are they head? Say I don't feel say that because of really that person, that as in a friend outside, now she won't quit that show. She know they enjoy the rhythm again
as it be
before. So she don't they contemplate and say, if this thing continue to go like this, I go waka. No be saying that because of her friend. Then she dey step out. So personally, me I don't feel leave, like maybe that is why I dey support them. Because me I don't feel leave somewhere because my friend is there insulting my friend one thing. I can't say they insult my friend, I waka come out. I go work and she be na me they pay. Now there they see chop. I will stay there, do my work, collect my money. Waka come out, when I go outside, I continue to do my friendship. So I no go quit my job because of my friend.
Wow. Alright.
Well, me say I come here now. Person yab. If I talk handle Queen B, they always shake. somebody can yab Queen B on top of me. I can say because you yab my handle, I no go do again.
I go yab am back. I go find where yab you too.
I go find out tell yab where you go shake well. Make I find hammer take knock your head if your head never correct. Say because they yab your friend, you say you want leave the show. She not serious. She not serious. The show no hungry I do before. If she really want to do that show, see what me I know we say. Especially for this television business where we did. If they get what you do, where you get passion for, what you really like. Just as you talk, say, Joan Rivers they do before, they turn everything into a joke. They get as they go yab your friend. You say go laugh, yab your friend put inside.
Yes.
All of una go laugh and together. When we say go in there and say, but you know say this person na my party una they yab. Una go still laugh on top that matter. Just say. When you come reach out, you go tell your friend, you go follow your friend laugh, say, come on, na television we dey, you know as they be now. When we say if you like, say if you even bring the friend come the show the next day, una go and say, come that day when you wear that cloth. Which kind of mosquito will invite you for head when you dress like that? They get us we turn everything to play. We go call it diplomacy. Now make it be television. They get us we go turn everything to play. Take suits the program we they do. Take suit the people they watch for house.
Yes.
You know? So me I don't see any reason why. Come hear me whether go come out. Come for show me look at the scene. You look serious.
Well, for me, I feel say waiting Kelly Osbourne do now very very unprofessional something because you they work now your work now they do. You don't hear plenty people friends and family and nobody don't use them attack.
Person father.
So rather than yab your mama, I be your husband or your boyfriend or whatever, you don't get right to say that because of that one you won't stop the show. And make sure not forget, say even Joan Rivers will be the almighty of the show, where then think say they irreplaceable. They don't replace them. So if she decides that she they do anyhow, she did lucky say not be CEO of E Entertainment. Hey, no, she don't come out.
I should just tweet that tweet.
I'm not going to even wait to hear explanation, because what should they talk about? Say your friend no fit fight for herself. Your friend a human being, she no be picking. No be like say that they pick on person when no fit stand up for themselves. She no be imbecile. She na full grown woman wey fit handle her issues. So that one when she they throw pity party for herself. And I dey happy say nobody answered the pity party, of which Juliana had already apologized before she even
she apologized.
So what we they talk about? And the girl said her hair, the hair.
The hair fine.
He said the hair.
Well, for me, I just feel say even this show what they do na live show like their own too. Na live. This show, I know
they recorded though.
Okay, but I know for this show we don't talk about so many people where I did close to.
Yes,
they watch, and when I don't, maybe I ping them. They'll come tell me, well done, you hear, well done. I say, abeg, I got to feed myself, because now waiting at the do. You said now waiting make yourself be my friend, be that.
Yes.
So I know they exempt anybody. The only thing they say, I go mice the opinion so that I no go say words where I no go fit take back.
Yes.
Now waiting I go do be that. But aside that one, and you know get reason. Say because of my friend, you shall go far and I shall face my career.
Yes,
Now serious, you go far, because if you don't wish me well, say because of say I want friend, the girl one they pay you salary.
But you know, say that statement where she make, it did very, very like offensive.
No, she said the dread where the girl carry. Say if they remind her of smell of something.
Yes, and
when
you know,
and
black
the smell.
Smell of weed.
For me, no offense they there, because they don't yab people. You yab way even worse past like that.
If you don't watch that,
Kylie herself. So I don't understand why she decided to take, unless if some kind things they go on between she and the Zendaya, because I don't understand.
Yes.
I don't understand again. Maybe she come outside tell us that we go understand where the thing they take the pinch on for inside. Now we go know as to say handle the matter.
All right, so my people, so the matter today hot for inside here with the talk, and I tell you, Margaret Thatcher in the studio, you have talked it.
She have touch today.
You get the opportunity when you go on top of Twitter, still they talk. Go on top of our Facebook, go on top of Instagram, and go on top of YouTube, so you go see plenty episode where you don't miss. Yes, for on top of our Instagram. Yes. Now so they be for Pigeon. Pigeon get your own interpretation of
your own translation.
All right, today boss one break, we come up, we go market. My people, we don't come back. I tell you, I wish say people they feel see behind the scene waiting they happen. Then you can go as spiritual silence, it just good.
Let me you go as if
everybody just reason the matter what you talk about.
You know that time when you inside class, where everybody gonna make noise.
Next thing you go just
you see one
but
body.
Why no. But why?
You yourself don't know say you don't too talk.
But now everybody go know at the same time say they don't too talk.
Like okay, don't do. Everybody don't too talk. So keep quiet.
Angel don't pass.
And now one person go just talk. Everybody go come and say, why? All right, so my people, we don't come back. Yes, so our third story for today. We don't walk out reach Obodo Igbo again. Because this our jet shall not come back without delivering the message. That's why we are waka people and the talky people. All right, this one is 17-year-old Kylie Jenner don't buy house of $2.7 million house. Make I tell you, according to TM magazine, they say Kylie Jenner don't lock down deal to buy 4,900 square feet house for Oaks, and the house they exclusive community for Calabasas. The house now just one block away from Courtney and Chloe, their house for there. They say the house, it gets pool, it get 5 bedroom, it gets awesome kitchen, and so on and so forth. Me at the ask, and I want talk. It dey enough for a 17-year-old girl to live alone, not to talk of say she did buy house to go stay for there. That's why today, on top of talk, as a mother and a sister and a cousin to the K sisters. I don't say my child are going to look and say, how you take it?
No, with you, anything they possible.
I did family to the K sisters. and I dey ask this girl, she don't dey old enough to buy house and come on for house, because the way the girl they go at 17, she don't start things wey be say even Kim wey blow the family. No do. Una fit say they enough.
No, for me, but like you say, like you talk, you said even things where Kim no do, but you don't forget say Kim time they're different from the time where we did right now. And she na 17 now, but then they know the Nigeria. Now just 1 year remain for her to fully become adult and she did legal to do anything where she want to do. And from the story where me I been read on top of this matter, they say that her mama they help him to try purchase the house. Even though say the mama no drop money, she they put the girl to say, okay, I go help you do all the papers and everything. I go make sure say you get them. And for me, that one day enough for the Oyibo community, for the Oyibo society as then they do their things. But to say maybe whether she won't leave alone, for now I go say no. But say she buy the house, number one, she they work for him. She get the money.
No, which work the girl they do now? They ask.
She the model now.
No.
And secondly, the reality show then they do, then they pay all of them. When I hear the amount where Scott they collect every month alone, every season, where it not be immediate family, you go imagine how much the family members they collect every season. So she gets her money already. She done they work for them, and luckily for her, now the family now paved the way for them. So no matter what, even if we use all our African mentality, say, Kai, you know rich, why? Now abomination, this, now that. All those times don't pass.
Not be she the model, na Kendall the model.
No,
this one is Kylie.
No, this not Kylie, but she gets she the model, but not be full blown like Kendall they do. She know they runway, but once in a while she gets some kind half jobs where she they do, and the money they come inside, and even still the reality show where they do the money they come inside, and the mama na person where they help them invest everything. So I say why not if not? And real estate now something where they always bring in more profit at the end of the day. So if you get the money, if not me, if I don't buy like 10.
So because of the money, because she gets the money, he make brain, make 17-year-old go buy house.
For Oyibo society, yes.
Maybe forget this Oyibo society and I.
But not now, you know what they talk about now.
Maybe if we come Nigeria now, we don't go to see the same 17-year-old. We don't get 17-year-olds for here.
Amaka, if they get that opportunity.
Different from 17-year-old for
so if a 17-year-old for Nigeria get that kind of money, you go advise and say, babe, you are almost a year to maturity. Go buy that house for
Amaka, if I get picking, where Bibi say she get the blessing of waiting Kylie gets, where she starts this kind of thing early and she they make money at that age, and she don't come reach 71, turn 18, and she come meet me say, Malek, how far? I want buy land, begin build house. She thinks I go tell him, say no. Of course I go support him, but I go monitor him.
Okay. Yeah, and the mama day
involved. So why not?
Now then my mind calm down small.
Your mind day up.
Because I
for my cousin sister.
Because her mama they monitor her.
But that's when I go claim.
So
I don't go claim that time when she they do selfie, they show her, no, or when she do plastic surgery for her lips. No, but I go claim this one. She's my cousin right now.
Her head on the day. Is it okay? Say yes, the mama. Because me, I don't go really advise say small picking or 17-year-old sit down. They say want build house, they want do this one, they want that. I no go advise them because if picking at that age start to think like that, it gets some kind of unnecessary. I don't know, some unnecessary, behavior will go enter place, and I know go. It don't make sense for my head though. It don't just make sense. But as it be say, yeah, the parents go chook eye put. Will be the normal thing. Yes, it is okay. Make the parents chook eye, put everything for the girl, put their eye for the girl, but they say, okay, you don't turn 17, no. Maybe say we go make sure say you do all this, you do that. It is okay. I did very, very okay with that. Say the woman take even her papa say, okay. Papa,
but for me, Amaka, you know what? You know better say as she get the money, they use and they do better in real estate. If she can't decide, say she want do one kind badness thing, she want begin follow boy, or she want go brothel. But this one, she want use and do reasonable thing. For me, it did more than enough. In fact, I say she they think 2020. Her vision don't reach far because you know if you talk what won't happen to the family house years from now. So she they try build up her life and everything from now. And hey, nothing spoil, I tell you. Trust me. In fact, I give the girl kudos to live for her. If I see myself, I go be her friend. I know my size senior. That's how you talking.
Well, for me, I always talk something. If you're picking, they do good things, support them. They part of in life. Just enjoy the moment with the girl. And you know the age where the girl they, now age where children they do mistake. They go do mistake. thank God say she get people even say for her house where go fit correct her and all that. But even though we dey always put mouth say no, she not supposed to do this. Now because the family agree to put their matter outside, some people dey their house where we say their children they do they do worse things. You understand? And they know they just because they don't come dey outside at that age. And she deal with mature people. I remember one episode where I watched where she offend the father. The father can't dey keep malice with her for days. He can't say he no one talk to her. You know what's in the girl talk. She go tell her mother say, see, anytime we come out, daddy they always won't hold me for hand. You know that moment. So you know they reach 13, 14, don't get boys for school where they tell you fine girl. Imagine that guy begin wasting the show for TV. You know, so you go dey popular for school and people they watch everything where they go on for her house. Okay. She can't say, Dad, I'm sorry, but I just want to tell you that I'm growing older.
Yeah.
You can't say, yes, I know. But she said, but I want you to know one thing. I'm going to grow faster.
Yeah.
And the father can't say, when she talking, the father can't say, like, you are going to grow faster. Yeah, because so many things where they do around me. Now, adults, they do them. So if me with small picking, can't they sit down near them when they do the thing? Hey.
You know, this way you just talk now remind me of one funny skit where I watch. Okay, not be skit. Okay. Now real life. The papa sit down. He call him Pikin. The next thing, he start to do selfie video. He call ask Pikin. Okay, good afternoon. Say hi, my Pikin. The girl say hi. He say your name. The girl say her name. He can say okay. So what do you want to be in future? The girl, let's say the girl never reach 10 or thereabout. Because what do you want to be in future? The girl say I want to be a surgeon. God say, okay, I have two ambitions. I want to be a surgeon and a pastor. And God say, okay, tell me why you want to be a surgeon? I say, I want to go to school and study medicine. And when I study medicine, I'll be able to come back and work on your big head. And if the surgery does not work, then I will now I'll now go and become a pastor so that I can pray that God will reduce your head. Hey, then the papa looked at Pikin say, idiot. Imagine. You know, I don't know, imagine say,
papa said don't get vision. Because if you see what the guy
Pikin get this exactly. Yeah. She don't think ahead. So no be say, but at least if the father feels support him, she become what she won't become, aside for the fashion because of the papa big head. Yes.
All right, now people more go small shishini break, but you get opportunity. Go on top of Twitter, may you go join the conversation because it never ends. We they come back, make we give you small information. Alright, so my people, yes, we don't come back. Yes, and now for your betterment, now we'll go that small shaking break. Alright, so my people, we don't come on to the fourth story. No forget, so today, now our throwback Thursday. Yes, so if you send us old picture of you, anyone way funny, I tell you, we'll go sunshine.
You want with the secondary school?
Your secondary school. Those birthday where you go, you remember those kind of birthday where they put minerals of how many
days?
You're constant for back, they look like
they get one of Betiana where I see one time. You know the picture of Betiana, the mineral where they did, not a solo cook. They put solo cook. The candle with a red candle. Bella Pupa 3.
All right. You know where you go know where Bernard they like. Because I never ever don't celebrate my birthday since they born me.
No, you they celebrate that party where you go.
I never do party. I know they go anybody by day.
So you don't dance on this already.
Make I talk this fourth story. This one are people who don't born again, don't return their WAEC certificates to WAEC.
Hallelujah.
Talk say they don't turn to better people. This one are 43 people. They talk this on top of Punch newspaper today, and the advert they say they don't return their WAEC examination because say they don't turn to born again, and the thing now fake. The ones where they used before. So what do you not think about this one?
So on a serious matter, they say people first of all, I wonder whether all of them join together born again. When they come go together, return the WAEC in fact the WAEC result. But if there's many people through they if they think all the money where they take work safe, where they do ojoro collect, they go return them. all the this one
Yes,
na serious
okay. You
matter.
dey try to talk say the
Because-
work when they don't work with that certificate.
Yes, certificate. Why they don't return
Total
the money?
born again.
Yeah.
Give your account.
Give everything.
You know,
Close
if
the
you-
account.
I surrender all. I surrender all.
Yes.
Because now, I don't go lie. The same people will begin. If everybody born again, oh yeah, everybody begin to return your certificates. People don't get work again for Nigeria.
People will get certificate, no many.
I just tell you because even me say when I do my work, I don't say mass add me small, but
True
I don't talk.
confession.
Hello, I never talk anything. No. I say mass.
It just say mass hard.
Okay, but
Not
you
for
know.
That's it. But the thing na
Bernard,
funny story.
you no go come talk the harass Amaka. We are talkists and we talk it the way it is. When you say mass had you and we know say you pass the mass because we no pass, you know
Yeah,
we
yeah.
know say you OT dog mercy.
Yeah. For that
You don't turn your
Yes.
Ọwọ́ mẹ́wàá ló kọ exam yẹn. Ọwọ́ mẹ́wàá.
Who tell you?
Bare
na the
fingers
inspiration
and hold
now.
the Bible.
Meanwhile, for me, like Bernard talk, those people, you know, say when they do jazz, take do money, and you don't decide, say, okay, I don't want to use jazz do money again. I want the one where you be saying, now, Baba God, there go bless me with, and they go say, okay, all those acquired things where you don't buy,
Give them away.
burn
Burn
'em.
'em.
So why they no come gather all?
Nobody supposed to call me. All those people. You know anyone who do money like that?
I'm on man. If I hear, say I born again to that
Story.
level. I did no, but I did born again.
Okay.
I is a child of God.
Yeah.
I see you.
Yes.
I see you.
And I do not do bad
I
things.
see you.
I do not shit in the exam.
Uh-huh.
Yes. That is why I came out with a first class.
Mm.
Yes. I do not shield.
You are in the first class.
Yes, I'm in the first
Her
class.
class is in front.
But they return their WAEC certificates. Oh, well and good to them. Now, why would they see when you enter WAEC hall, you they see people of 50, 60, they write WAEC. They go tell you, say they don't go school and lie. They don't born again. They won't redeem their born againness.
Okay, so but if you don't send the WAEC on the university on you, they return them.
If you send WAEC, if you don't get WAEC, how you want to go university?
Then
So
don't
that one
go
don't
to
become
university.
automatically.
But now the two way could be as because you take that work certificate to enter
Enter
university.
University, but
So you
university
return
on our
the work.
original.
Why you don't
All
call return the
you world
university on?
people. It's a gradual process.
That's true.
Not be from club, then they enter dance. They go first start with WAEC.
Then-
Before then come
Then
graduate
return-
the born
come
againism.
return jam.
Come return jam.
After jam,
Then
call
they
return certificate.
Thank you.
Then I want to give them for office. They go return am.
Bernard is working, born againism is
Because
working.
now for room they sweep enter parlor. I hear you.
This is funny. This is just funny for my work here. But you understand. How you go look am because you want to born again.
Born
Born
all together.
againism.
Now born against I want to
Yeah, born againism. Na the born againism.
born against because you want to born again. See, some people they take things to the extreme. Now wetin me I take see am, so me I take see am. Because you don't do born again, I feel and you won't come make the whole world according to wetin then. Now wetin they want to do with that. And they publicize the fact that they not do born again. They want the born again. And me I believe say born again to be born. The English said be as it get. To they born again. Na personal thing.
Yeah.
And now people suppose watch you.
Talk say you
say
don't become this person.
you don't
become
you don't
exactly.
change. So which one be the one where you can't publicize and a WAEC certificate you can't use to prove say they born again?
It's
You
a
get
step.
things, excuse me.
You are
You
excused.
get things where then they use to show say yes you they born again. WAEC certificate no be proof say you be born again.
After all, if you get WAEC certificate, some people do next
Some
to
people
join.
do that. Thank you. They get other
Call
things.
you do naptep.
Oh,
they tell you.
you get polytechnic, get different type of certificate.
We were there not we do.
What is it? You know, carry water. To they born
carry
again, you
water.
get many things you use to
Yes,
take they born
so,
again.
no be
than
Well,
certificate.
but for here with the advice you say abeg, instead when you go do born again after 40 years when you don't retire.
you don't retire.
No even bother go the school. Go do fish farming. Go do tomato farming. Go do potato farming. No be everybody must wear collar and wear suit. Do some farmers they funkify ones where don't
Yes,
you understand? So we try just do that. And for Nigeria, you must not get pali before you become who you be.
Told
All right.
them, oh.
For here we dey enter wear
Wear
or
or
throw
throw
away.
away.
We get some
Correct.
photos of clothes where we want discharge or we want keep. Make we see them.
Maybe
Amaka,
see
your
picture
birthday
one.
clothes they there.
Yes,
Hey!
Amaka buy the clothes.
Eh?
Now, don't be this one Amaka wear for
Okay,
night
Amaka,
yesterday.
go ask this question. Shall we wear this for because it is what Amaka wear yesterday.
Nah, no serious. I
Like
think wear am
inspiration.
anyway, Sha.
If you wear them,
Yes.
you
but
go wear
something
shimi inside.
yeah. No be
Okay.
shimi that they call am.
Kino think pe?
Camiso.
Camiso.
No,
the short one,
Camiso na
shimi
short
that they wear
one, Simi
inside.
na long one. Those ones my
wear
mommy wear.
short, moderate one.
Okay, me I dey try now.
Okay, Bernard, now your woman wear this clothes. What I do?
If na bedroom, where wahala no dey now.
That better this one day.
You feel like night
I
gown
go
for
red
wear this one
carpet,
for
Grammy,
outside.
so.
No be cloth wey dey inside, na we dey see so. No be underwear we dey see so. I go wear
That
this one.
is the
now.
fashion.
Wow.
But they call it under and it under. What's the problem?
I tell
As
you.
they come there, me I come they say now the cloth na show glass. Why go they wear
She are a transparent person, but
No
Tiana.
way.
If I dey wear am go Oscars, I go wear am.
Yeah, because Simone understand these people they
No
define
let fly
clothes.
inside your eye. Close
Clothes that they wear clothes go places. You get clothes for stage where you go dress some kind way where you go. All right, I'm gonna see the second picture.
Picture 2. Picture
Make we
2.
see am because I know
This is
say
picture 1.
it is going to be part
Picture
of what
two.
Amaka is going to wear for
My next year, my
Saturday.
next year, my next year.
Now Saturday.
Eh?
Oh, you are blinking, no. We need shade. This one we need goggle.
It be
For
like
me, I go
robot.
say no. Throw away. It's too green for
it be
my eye.
like robot.
Even though I know say Nigeria is green.
The land is green.
I say you know what I want sing. What's happen now?
Yeah, no,
See
sorry.
as the green they shine. No.
But it's fine. I like green, sha.
Yeah,
That's
but
what
not
I'm thinking,
metallic green like
Exactly, it be like metal. It be like robot. But the cloth fine.
All right, so my
I
people,
bet
if
you
you
will.
get anything where you want to talk about these two clothes, you like them or you know like them, wear them or make you throw am. Why not go on top of Twitter? Make you tell us your own opinion. All right, we did go for our old school video as you know say today. I'm waiting it be. Make we enjoy this video. We is coming back.
This one, special invitation to all the freedom fighters all over the world. Come down! I jail him without bail. Not to get to your jail, not to get to your jail. You must give him bail,
your shoe go just dey chop dey go.
And you know say those days
You know, probably like
the
second-
road still
second-
good.
Oh, yeah.
Those are our old government been do the road, but not be like now everything. Yeah.
Why you do like this?
By
Your
the time you
best-
shake two, you go one leg go
That
enter
I
one.
see reason why them little cash bring shock. It's shocking.
You
You just stay one place.
One
You go
that's
place.
all.
balance yourself.
It be like second now.
No, sir.
I didn't see be like second now.
You don't ever see second when they dance for rough road. It has to be smooth.
Very smooth. Oh. You go second throw away.
Okay, I mean that.
Yes. We don't see our old school video. We don't give you Rasky.
Yes.
Mono.
Mono.
You got it.
And the man don't come big now. That's the thing then.
Man, the hustle was real. Oh.
Yes.
If you see me now in the next 2 years, now you go say.
But
I no
you
enter
go
this
you
door.
go believe say Raskimono, a manager of those days up till now, now still the manager.
Can you imagine?
Wow.
Now the thing
Yes,
where
now the
most
relationship
recent
and
people don't know
yes,
about business.
And
the
we
same
do-
person where the manager, you know, a manager
Yeah,
man,
na
the
real
same that the
maintenance.
fights are
That the
till
fights are not
today.
even just up
We
till
see
now.
if they do am by now.
Well,
You
it
know,
ain't
it ain't
possible. Now,
possible, but-
you see, the truth be say, make I no lie. Back in the days, when people dey musical group, they get the thing where they connect them. It pass just the work.
Yes,
They
you
were
must
like
make the
family.
person
They be
become
like family.
Yeah.
But now, person get record label. It just 5 minutes we get talents, carry and come. Now na business. When you can come, you perform. If no perform again, throw am.
Now,
yeah,
so-
and they know they meet except for record label. You know they go in house, all those things.
Now, like family thing back in the days, the relationship, it tight, pass who tight gele for head. But now,
In
All
fact,
right,
I want to
Amaka,
enter my
Sanchez
cook of
cook
the day
up.
right now. Before we enter old school and forget saying our new school.
We
we
dey.
dey.
I
Yes,
tell
sir.
you.
Okay, right about now, we want to cook up the day, and cook up the day, they very simple. Touching cook up the day, I no too think and too much.
Your memory can be around.
Yeah. You know Mota?
Yes, Odo.
bogum,
Boom,
bogum,
boom,
That one way two people just do the lens.
boom,
bakam,
boom,
Eh.
boom,
bakam.
boom.
That day. And now where we they do, just press one button like that. The yam don't pound. That one and this one, as in a pound. Which one to say
Better
better
pass.
pass?
Amaka, I tell you, I like pounded yam. I think if you come from Edo State, where I come from, you will
Talk
always
it.
like pounded yam.
Tell them,
You
oh,
know
my
why?
sister.
Because it gets in signature groundnut soup.
Hey.
The soup where they teach
May I tell you, so they call her for Omikisagwe.
Make pizza.
With me, you don't find my trouble. Omikisagwe. Hey,
As I
like
think I
just
saw
say,
water in my
in
mouth.
fact, the water, if I no pass, I go throw away.
Okay, Amaka,
Now,
make I go
for
back.
now.
Wait, make I go back. Now our signature if you be a do person.
I tell you.
Okay.
So as you know, be
If
Edo
the
people.
man where I marry now come talk say he wants make I pound yam for him, I no go. He want eat pounded yam, no problem. Say
Okay.
problem. But my brother, you shall sit down, pound the yam. Me, I will boil the yam, peel, put for fire. You, we pound it.
But you know, say when you pound yam, that time they talk say when you pound yam with your hand like this, they do the poko. And that time the yam the sweet pass.
I no argue, but I dey talk say the man.
No, where
na him
woman
wan
do
chop
am,
am.
where woman
So when
am.
I do all those things after I don't finish show like this,
Queen
come
Bee-
go house.
Now, what I want to talk to you, you know, say woman sweats, they make pounded yam sweet.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay, even like when I
when
dey
they
come,
pound.
even like when I dey come, no me where our parents give our fathers chop.
Yeah,
They no fit
they
go.
wrong anywhere. Even when they cry, say that mother no give them food
Story,
chop.
even
they
with all the
stay there.
economy, they're not still married like 10 wives.
Yes, but
Maybe
the
forget
sweat
that
they
too.
different.
All of them,
Sweat.
all of them, they put condomy inside now. When they, you know, woman sweats, they sweet step and they jam. When woman they pan back up.
Ben a
I
store.
know say woman go tie wrapper. You know, why you wonder say back in the days when woman they pan yam, then they wear clothes. Now wrapper they go just tie.
Tap for
Handle.
chest.
Yeah.
Handle
With
yourself.
the handle lift.
Handle yourself.
You don't make me they speak my language. After my
Right about now, we get people who don't they send sweets because Bernard, when he reach woman matter, him body go just they sweet am. So then they tie
wow,
back.
now mama
Bernard,
it go sweet now.
AKA, AKA Mr. Handle.
Handle.
Anyway,
handle you.
sweets don't they enter inside. Quiet, please.
No best.
Angel one
Maggie.
Okay, Tuesday the enter. We get at Clementina_Paul. She talks say person return wag in name of saying become bonfire. Yeah. Make una tell am well done, no sure.
Avio.
She still talks say if pikin do well, it good make parents or guidance to support the pikin, but you go watch that pikin very closely to avoid mistake. Now about Kylie,
yeah.
now she dey talk that one. At Musti Coco, this Musti Coco talk say at talk Wazobia, more credits to Kylie in a part of life investment. Amaka, you hear?
I don't.
They don't say you here. Say you here.
Thank
Now
you.
she said the man no talk say you here. Now she talk say you here. Now she add her own.
At Silver Wednesday, in talk at talk Wazobia at Amaka Kedukwanu, my own cake. Please, my hubby says he likes Amaka. Oh.
Trouble.
Hey.
That her opinions they bam. Where Uwishi has been scarce.
Yes.
Yes.
So we dey under the shadow
Of the Almighty God.
Yes, so.
under the shadow of the Almighty God. They take care of her, they keep her, and they make her day fake because when she come back, everything go stand kajad.
Yeah, also. I tell my ways I talk again. Say I talk Wazobia. Trado mortar is better, but it is stressful. Traditional mortar.
Okay.
You go pound the yam
But it is
yourself.
stressful, and you go get the natural taste of the yam. But I know sabi pound, even though na my father-in-law favorite.
Daddy, what Japan do yam?
In fact, at Sandy White Street, say at Talk Wazobia. For me, I prefer pound yam because it's day easy to prepare.
Better.
At
really better.
Anyogu, a maker in talk say Basketmouth they pass message. In simply they tell Wizkid say time don't reach for him to change his name.
But
Whoa.
Then finally, time no day. Finally, at Miriam 530, she talks, say, this Kelly matter na nonsense as Betiana talk. How many people she don't hear about beg na today? Make she go hang herself.
Chewy.
Yes, this person
Kelly
is a
Osborne.
belting.
The person is a toucher like
Tell
you.
him now yourself or
The person is a toucher.
All right, so my people, we say thank you so much. Say when they out there with us. Yeah, so we say go tell your friend, make it tell another friend, and tell your friend, make it tell him neighbor, and the neighbor telling colleague for office. Say talk now from 2 to 3 o'clock, and Monday till Friday now we dey do them. We dey do Mondays motivational, Tuesdays inspirational, Wednesdays family, Thursdays now our
Throwback.
and our Friday now our comedy Friday. I know so you no go won't miss any of this episode. I've been a segment, I've been a day safe. I go call them.
Yes,
We could jump body again tomorrow because we don't do today on. We don't drop onto you. Go on top Twitter, tell your own story for there. Tell us what you feel about all the things we don't talk about. Now, dear, my own name still remain Queen B.
Oh, yes. And for me, myself, and I they pledge peace for inside this coming
Yes, you say
election.
peace,
I say
peace.
make una pledge peace too because now peace we want for inside Nigeria. My name still remain Betiana Unweli.
My name is Bernard. I always come around anytime they want me. The fine boy where they studio.
Yes,
I
so
know
they
why-
use
now
you
they
and
twist.
dump you.
When I know they, use me, dump me, then you come and use me again, dump me, then come and use me.
That means you are useful.
Something sweet.
That
You're handling it sweet too, anytime.
My name is Sylvain Amaka Okudiafo. My birthday still continue, it never end. So if they send in your gifts, the gates they very open. People they there, they will collect them for me and they will call me. One more thing, get on to I want talk. You know, say our Wednesdays now, our family Wednesdays. You know, if you do videos on kind things of your children, send and come. Some kind silly TV your children they like to just video and send them. We go make sure say we air and for them. We see the wonderful things
And
our
again, on top
children
of
they
that
do.
note, yes, so as we dey package the show, make it be, we get our real life days, which now Tuesday. Those on Tuesdays, if you send in your real life issues, what thing they happen to you, and you want more to join, but they talk about them. Why not? If not, send them to our email. Send them to us on top of Twitter. We will talk about them.
Yeah.
All right, my people, as they always they talk on top of the show. So
Talk, no be bad thing, but
make
make
it
you know
know
wetin they talk about.
Pow!